Jen and Jay, sa araw na ito, wala kayong iniisip na susunod na kasalan. Because this will be a lifetime togetherness in faithfulness and love. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa pag-iikahos at kasaganahan. Nawa, sa pagpapala ng Diyos, maging matagumpay, maging halimbawa, at maging banal ang inyong pagsasama.
So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
Shay, I love you. You're my friend, my buddy, and my sis. To love you through ups and down, to extend my patience every day, especially when you are most of the time late and busit.
Jed, at tatandaan ko po niyo, nag-pray ko kay Carmelite. Sabi ko, ang God, if tatangin lalaki, para ako tatangin. Ingat ko mo lalaki. Simple lang. Pero yung pinili ako, lalaking sobrang lupod. I promise.